Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the borders on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just launch your game through the right client. And as you launch your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the top middle for this Event Hub option. And as you see it, just click on here to view the page. And as you view this page, just go on your left and select this borders option. And as you do that, you can see the borders that you can get it for yourself, and just select any of those you want to buy it. And guys, it will cost you tokens. So guys, that's how you get the borders on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.